Hi everyone, Erich Allen here, founder of Planiversity. Just going to walk you through a quick tutorial on how to use our new flight booking option from the itinerary build page. So as you can see on the screen here, I'm on my dashboard. Now, this is what your dashboard will look like if you have a business suite. If you don't have a business suite and you just have an individual account, it's not a problem. The only thing you'll notice is that you will not have access to a job database, employee database, or meeting database. Otherwise, you'll have events, billing, archive, travel booking. Everything else on this page will look exactly the same. You just will not have that. If you don't have the orientation already, of course, you have the travel calendar right here. You have the archive for any past trips. And then right here, if I want to open up a packet that I've already completed, of course, I can go through here. I can download whatever's already been planned out. And of course, if I've started a plan and have not completed it yet, I started it, I closed it out, the system automatically saves that, and I can easily update that or open it again from the dashboard right here just by clicking the open. But we'll go ahead and we'll get into it. Let's just start a new plan. So again, top right corner, you just go ahead, start a new plan. That's going to take you to our prompt. Like everything here at Planiversity, it's going to walk you through the process. Really, we just try to design this so that there's no question about how anything's done. So in this case, I'm going to say I'm traveling by train. I come in here, click the travel by train. It's going to pull up the itinerary build page, and just forgive the little bit of lag. It does this anytime we're doing a screen recording, but this is the page that's going to come up. So it'll do this for flight, it'll do this for car rental if you're doing a road trip, and it'll do this for train, obviously, if you're traveling by train. So right here you can see that if I want to travel by train, automatically it's already set up to allow you to book a train ticket. And of course you can do that. You put all your information in, start your search, get your ticket, and then continue on. If not, then you just build the itinerary manually. But in this case, we're talking about the flight itinerary. So let's go back to travel by plane. We're just going to change our mode right here to travel by plane. The system's going to jump you over to now the airport or the airline section. So right here, again, just like the train section, it's going to prompt you immediately with, do you want to buy a plane ticket? So right here, it's pretty simple. You just go in, you just say, okay, I'm going to take a flight from Philadelphia and I'm going to go to, let's just say Atlanta today. Go ahead and select that. I'm going to say this is a round trip for one person, date of departure. We'll say 30th, return. I'll come back on the 5th. Cabin class doesn't matter to me. Let's go ahead and just find the flight, and you'll see the system already starts giving you options. Okay, now you can sort by, and you can kind of decide whether or not you want these filtered based on one stop direct or two stops, layovers, and not. If I want to say put one stop in there, I can do that. Let's see what the system does and what it comes back with. Hopefully not too many. There's a lot of results, but right here you can see there are a few that came back. And if I want that information on any stops, flight duration, flight numbers, I just go ahead and click the block, and you'll see right here, it gives you that information. And of course, if I want to go ahead and purchase the ticket, it's all right here. I just follow the prompts. And then of course, you'll see right here, if you're wondering why it's not collecting your data at first, you go ahead and it tells you all your information is going to be collected once you actually put your booking or your billing information in. So I put in my billing information, I click pay. Next thing you know, the system's going to pull up a page where you put your name, date of birth, etc. in there, and you'll complete the process and get your itinerary. Okay. If I come to the website and I already have a plane ticket and I'm not interested in this process, that's simple. Then I just come over here, I skip to book a flight, and I just say I want to build the itinerary because I already have my flight data. So I can come here, I can enter my start and ending point, dates, times, flight number, seat number, all that stuff. And then of course the system's going to confirm that. So let's say the same thing. I want to come in here and I want to travel from Philly and I want to go to Atlanta. I can't type today. Perhaps not enough coffee. I come in here. Now the system tracks that. It says, okay, I'm going to go ahead and confirm this by showing you on the map. This is where you want to go from. This is where you want to go to. That's correct. And then of course you just follow the prompts, follow the other information. And once you get to the bottom, now you don't have to do this. You don't have to add hotel information or rental car. This is all optional, but your flight data to get through this portion would be mandatory. So once you get to the bottom of this page, just click create trip and you're on your way onto these next steps, like building your schedule, notes, filters, plans, etc. Okay, so we hope this helps. One thing I will give you in addition to this is If you're wondering, do I actually have to register for an account and go into the service just to be able to book a ticket? What if I want to go to Planiversity just to purchase a ticket directly? That will be updated this week. As a matter of fact, we're updating our entire landing page so it'll look like this. So now, instead of actually being a customer, you won't have to come to the website, log in, create an account, etc. You literally can just come to Planiversity, purchase your ticket, and be on your way. Of course, we hope that you'll stay and build a travel plan with us, but this is what it's going to look like. You come here, you can go ahead, put all of your information in to get your flight. Or you could just say, you know what, I don't need that. I've already got my flight ticket. Now I just want to skip that and go directly to planning. And of course, the rest of the page will walk you through a few other things. But this is what we have. This is where we're at, and we're very excited about it. So constantly changing, constantly updating the service. If you have any questions for us, always feel free to reach out. And thank you for your time.